Today's video is sponsored by Hotbraids. If you're looking for high quality braiding hair that doesn't tangle, itch, or have you out here questioning life's choices, Hotbraids got you. As you can see, they sent me 4 of their bulk hair of their kinky curly texture. They sent me a bag and of course a lot of tools so I can achieve this hair to help the hairstylist achieve this hair because I didn't do this. So this is what you'll get if you shop with Hotbraids. All right, y'all, I headed to my girl Golden Serenity to get my hair done because she is about to bless me. You see my hair, it has length, but it got some attitude, so let's see how it goes. Now, let's talk about this hair. Hotbraids sent me this bomb pre-stretched braiding hair, and it's already moving like it came straight from Beyonce's personal collection. When I tell you no tango, no drama, just vibes, stylist approved. Before we get into this video fully, I do want to tell you guys that it did take about 12 hours to complete this hairstyle because these are really tiny twists and it's only one person working on my head. So with that being said, I will still get this hairstyle again. I just want you guys to have a disclaimer that it did take all day. So this is an all day hairstyle that's going to last for months. You can wash this hair. You can keep it in if you want to lock your hair. It is there to last for a good time, for not a long time. Or it's going to last a long time and it's going to be a good time. When I say Golden is so organized and so clean and neat with her twisting, her braiding skills, it's really, really therapeutic to just watch and just see her because she really is moving fast. For one person, she's moving really, really fast. Because most of the time when you go to these African barber shops, it's like 3 or 4 people on your head. She's really working like 3 or 4 people by herself. Okay. Can we give some amens in the chat in the comments about her skills? Because homegirl is working. To pass the time away, we watched Temptation Island on Netflix, and I have never been so frustrated, so mad at a TV show in my whole entire life. Never in my life would I ever decide to go on that show. If you were looking for a Netflix suggestion, here it is. Temptation Island is the one you need to watch, especially when you get your hair done. I feel like you have to have something to watch when you're getting your hair done. So don't tell nobody I never put you on to nothing, okay? She is getting through it. I know her hands have been kissed by God because she is literally have angel hands. She is going by so fast. Look how neat this is. Like, you can tell that she's taking her time and she's being precise. That is what you need when you need a hairstylist, because you can't be out here looking crazy when you're done, and your parts can't look crazy, and she don't let you leave looking crazy. If anything, she makes sure that the parts is crispy. Like, do I need to say more? Look how crispy this is. Look how neat this is. As you can tell, we have to just vibe out to get through this because this is something else. I've never sat in a chair so long. It was to the point where she was like, you need to separate this hair just so it could go by faster. And I was like, absolutely. Anything you need. How can I make it go by faster? Halfway point, y'all. We just got this section left. So far, so good. The hair is super soft, super nice. Once we started double teaming, where I was separating the hair and she was just braiding the hair or twisting the hair, it came by so much faster. I feel like we were in a groove at this point. We knew how the hair worked and how we needed to be, how I needed to set my head. It just moved really, really fast. And after we got done with the hair, I went home and then I got dressed, and I'm gonna show you the results in a few seconds. Just stay tuned. Hi you guys, this is the finished product, my micro twist. I hope you guys really like this because this took a long time. These are super, super cute. I've had it in for only a day now, and I've already got so many compliments, people thinking that it's my real hair. I'm this close to stop telling people that it's extension and just saying it is, because that's how natural it looks. And if you wanted to, you could start your locks this way. So I'm like, I don't know if I might keep these to be my locks. I don't know. You guys let me know. You guys know I used to have locks and I miss them, and just having this style again, and it be full and it be dark hair, I think I'm feeling it. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. But yeah, you guys, this hair is so full. I mean, this is one of the fullest hairstyles I've had, because this hair is so thick. Like, my hair is thick, and then like this hair is thick, so like the combination is just like, it just gives. You guys, I really, really, really like this hair because it's so versatile. It's so soft. I put mousse in it only. That's the only thing I put in some water, and it's like, you can tell like it has little curls at the end, as you can see. Like, it's, you guys see that, right? Like, it's curly, it's thick, it gives natural hair. And the parts, Goda don't play about her parts. That's all I gotta say. Goda do not play when it comes to her parts. Like, you guys see this? The talent, the work, the skills. Stop playing with her. I'm about to show you some styles that I'm gonna probably be my go-to styles with this hair, so that you guys can see how versatile this hairstyle is. You guys can switch the part. Like, so detailed, so nice and pretty. Like, you guys see the parts. I was so serious about like having my parts good, because I'm debating about keeping these in for the rest of my life. So the center part, we did not play about, okay? This is what it looks like center part. Sorry. I just want to thank Golden so much for doing my hair. If you guys want to get your hair done, if you live in Atlanta, I have her linked in the description. And I also want to thank Hotbraids, because without them, this hair wouldn't be looking like this. It would be so full. Hot Airs, if you guys want to get some micro twist, mini twist of this spring season, you better be shopping with Hot Hairs. If you haven't heard about all those like chemicals and all this stuff that's in the hair, this is all human hair. You don't have to worry about that when it comes to Hot Hair. You guys check them out. The link will be in the description. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye. You said I can't trust in you.